Nope, he's my dog now. Oh!
Puppy, wait there. I'll be right back.
Oh my gosh! Oh, it's okay. You poor little puppy. Good puppy.
Where's my dog? She stole my dog! Get back here!
Okay, puppy, we're home. Let's go inside. Come on. Yes.
I gotta get my puppy back. Oh, man.
You look hungry, puppy. Oh, I'll be right back. Where's your manners, puppy? Get off the table. Here you go, puppy. I'll be right back, puppy. I'm thirsty. Hey!
Oh no.
You left that poor puppy in the cold.
It doesn't matter. It's my puppy.
Well, she's mine now. Finders keepers.
Nope, I don't think so.
What? I know who to call. Not so fast. Give me my puppy back. Rubber Ducky! Come on, you're going to jail. Get in there. Puppy, I got you a cake. Happy birthday to the best puppy. Cake is my favorite. This is so delicious. How'd you get out of jail? Robert! Ducky! Puppy will get our cake back. Hey! Unlock this door! Robert Ducky, give me my cake back! Come on! There he is. Get my cake back. What was that noise? No! This is the worst day ever. For me? Thanks. Look, puppy, your new birthday cake. Wait, stop! Ma'am, get away from the car. Stop! Oh, hurry, get in the car! Hurry, get in! I think we're losing him. I think we did lose him. We need some music. Aw, it's a lost puppy. You think? Oh, good puppy. You want to come home with me? Yes. Oh, beautiful puppy. Save the dog! Could this day get any worse? Actually, it could.